Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and select one of your chats. Now click on this little icon with a plus at the bottom left corner. To add an audio file, select Files. Then pick one of those, select one of your apps, or click on three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. You can also click on Audio Filter at the top. After you locate your file, you need to hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was added. If you wish to add your video one, click on Gallery section instead. Look for your video and tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!